Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2013 Ford F-150 FX4. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and has the FX4 off-road package. Taking a look at the back here, we got tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera, a nice tonneau cover, mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side, window deflectors, keyless entry keypad, got the turn light indicated mirrors with a nice black hood deflector, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, rear vents, cup holders, 110 volt and 12 volt with floor mats and a carpeted interior with a lovely split folding rear bench seat and plenty of door space in the back. Moving to the front, we got a somewhat powered driver's seat, mostly manual, with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, power adjustable pedals, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 153,679 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with your volume, playback, play forward, voice, media, phone, cruise control, and toggle-free screen, which you can go through gauge mode, trip A and B, fuel economy, truck apps, settings, and information. To my right, we got our gear select with your speeds, tow and haul modes, cup holders with tons of storage, sink, and your center console with lots of more storage underneath, trailer brake, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive. Climate controls are just right here. Toggle for your little screen up here. Volume tune, hazard, CD, storage, 12 volt, storage below, with storage on the dash. And of course we do get that lovely powered rear window opener, as well as our hill and traction. We got radio, CD, Sirius XM, aux, phone, so Bluetooth capabilities, number keypad, and shifting to reverse. We do get a nice little backup camera on your rear view mirror. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8365A, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.